Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Dani, the wicked awesome gardener, and today I'm here with an Migardener seed haul. I know I keep saying I'm done with these, but I just can't quit. They offered their yearly grab bag, so I figured, all right, I will get a grab bag. It was $20 for 30 packs of seeds. That's a really good deal. I figure any duplicates of stuff that I already have, I can give away in a raffle off to you guys. So I thought that would be fun. Also, I have here a package from Migardener that's got something cool in it that I'm really excited to go out and take care of today. But before I get going here, I have another seed haul from Garden State Gardener, and that is Joe at the Garden State Gardener YouTube channel. You guys should check him out. He does free seed giveaways every Sunday night, and randomly he said that he wanted to send me a present, so he did. And he sent me a couple of things. He sent me a pack of Kajari melon seeds, and he gave me a pack of straight 8 cucumbers, which is great because I didn't have straight 8 cucumbers. I really wanted those. One thing Joe may have forgot is that in a gift a few months ago, he also sent me another packet of Kajari melon seeds. So I do have some already, and I really appreciate it, Joe. Guys, by the way, Joe is just a handful of subscribers, like probably 5 or 6 right now, from hitting the big 2K. So if you guys don't know Joe, you should go over to his channel right now. Give him a subscribe, check out. You need to hang out in his chats on Sunday nights because you can win seeds, you can win yarn if you're a crocheter. It's hot sauce. He's just got a huge variety of seeds from Baker Creek and different hot peppers, and he's the seed king right now of the YouTube giveaways. So you definitely don't want to sleep on his channel. Go check him out. And he's just an honest to goodness, like, wonderful, sweet man. So big shout out to Joe there. So these cucumbers will definitely come in handy next year. Now, let's take a look at the box from Migardener. I'm so happy. In here is my music garlic. Look at that cool purplish. That's a really cool looking garlic. This has some big meaty cloves in it. That is some good looking seed garlic. Look at that. Little garlic badunkadunk there. So I'm going to be planting those out in the garden. It is getting late, but it's still warm enough. So if you are in the New England area or have weather kind of like we do have here in New England, you can still plant your garlic. We've got temps in the 60s and 70s all this week, and the nights are still in the 40s. Plant your garlic. Get it in there now. But now on to the fun part. I have no idea what seeds are in here. Look at all these seeds! Look at them all! All right, I can already tell right off the bat, I got some hot peppers. I'm actually not a huge hot pepper person, but I have thought about trying these Hungarian hot wax, and so now I've got some seeds. Let's see. I've got. Ooh, okay. I got some cool stuff in here already. All right. So, what do we have? We have Hungarian hot wax peppers, delicata squash. I was thinking about trying these. Okay, this is so cool. I won't have space to grow these yet. Hope that I can buy this property that I'm offering on, because then I'll have space for corn. And I've got glass gem corn, the really, really pretty stuff that I really want to grow, and I just don't have room here. This salad burnet. Let's see, what is this? It is a tender perennial. Mediterranean variety, has a light and delicious cucumber flavor, primarily paired with salad greens or dressing. Cool. All right. Will add amazing taste in any cucumber dish. That's cool. Okay, so it's like a leafy herb, I'm gonna guess. More herbs, some sweet marjoram, That's awesome. Ooh, I love Swiss chard. And this is Lucullus? Lucullus Swiss chard. That looks like, it looks thicker than some chards, like almost like a bok choy. Ah, Romanesco broccoli. I do still have a lot of these seeds left, so this might be something that I give away. Oh, that's an interesting looking. So Joe gave me black radish seeds a while back, and these are black Spanish radish, and they look different. They've got like a bumpy crackled texture outside. Huh. Yep, nice peppery flavor. Yep. Ooh, chicory. That's cool. This is not only really good just as just an herb in general, but funny enough, it was actually used as a coffee substitute during the Great Depression. But also those flowers bring in tons of pollinators. Bees love chicory. Ah, striped Roma, which I believe I actually have already in my collection. That could be a raffle prize. Ooh, I love trying new lettuce varieties. This is an oak leaf lettuce. How did I miss that one when I was at the Migardener store? I probably wasn't looking enough at the lettuces, but the evergreen tomato. Hey, Luke picked a tomato variety that I don't have. Serrano Tempequeño pepper. So it's another hot pepper, I'm going to assume. Oh yeah, it says hot. Rutgers tomato, which I believe that I do have. Heshinko bunching onion. Fabulous. The guardsman onion. Cross between a bunching onion and a bulbing onion. Similar to a scallion. Cool. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, cool. There is a mystery pack of seeds, so I'm going to open that up and peek in a minute. The Golden Hubbard squash. This is wonderful because if I do get this property going, I want to grow tons of squash for winter storage. The Wisconsin 55 tomato. White icicle radish. New Mex Joe Parker pepper. This is a good roasting pepper. It does not say it's hot. Well, that's cool. I love a good sweet pepper, so if that's a sweet pepper, I'm really happy. A giant red mustard, which is great because I really wanted to grow some mustards. I was thinking instead of putting in a second bed here, I would get a second green stalk and then fill it with my lettuces and greens. Magenta Swiss chard. Between the Ford Hook and the ruby red Swiss chard that I've got and the rainbow Swiss chard, I'm going to have plenty of chard. Ooh, a new type of basil to me, the blue spice basil. Ooh, another tomato that I did not have, the Moskvich tomato. It's an indeterminate red slicer, 8 to 12 ounce fruits, not bad. The sweetie tomato, not a favorite of mine. I do have seeds for this. This will be a raffle prize because I don't want to grow sweeties. A yellow brandy wine, yay. So now I have black, true black, pink, red, and yellow brandy wines. Very nice. Yellow pear tomato. These are something I do have seeds for. I'm not a humongous fan. Raffle prize. Ooh, more lettuce. Grand Rapids leaf lettuce. I like that. The Southport White Globe onion. It is a long day variety, perfect because I am in the Northeast. And last but not least, spotted bee balm. I love bee balm, so that's going to be something awesome. All right, let's take a look at the mystery seed. Okay, so on the back it says, mystery seed, what will it grow? Sow these seeds and then you'll know. All you need to grow this mystery seed is water, soil, care, and sun. Growing big is so much fun. That's really cute. All right, let's see if we can figure out kind of what variety of seed this is. Oh, okay, I have two guesses. As to what this is. I'm pretty sure I know. Okay. Can you see with focus these seeds? All right, let's pick a big one. Maybe you can see it. But see how it's all bumpy and knobbly? That tells me that it's most likely some sort of beet. Potentially it could be Swiss chard, but I'm gonna say this mystery seed is some sort of beet variety, and like outside chance that it's some variety of Swiss chard. I'm gonna pick up this magenta Swiss chard here, and I'm gonna open the seed packet just to show you, because beet seeds come in a cluster. There's usually 3 or 4 seeds, something like that, in that cluster. Swiss chard seeds also look kind of bumpy like that. But I'm gonna put my money on beets. That's my guess. So that's my Migardener grab bag seed haul. And I'm telling you, that does it for me for seeds for the year. I'm all done. I don't even need to do any seed hauls next year in 2023. I think the plan is that if we get this property, next year's garden is going to be very minimal. I am going to plant my garlic. I'm going to do just a couple varieties of tomato. And honestly, I think it's going to be the sugar pud, which I have one right here that I isolated, and I'm going to be saving the seeds from this. I've got to actually cut that up and take care of that tonight. I'm going to be saving the seeds. I'm probably going to grow a lot of sugar pud next year, maybe not so much all the variety that I planned. If I don't get this property, prepare me to go absolutely crazy out there just to keep my mind off of things and off of buying property. But I think next year will be going very simple. I'm just going to grow a few of my favorites, small garden, just for that 1 year, because hopefully I'm full in, like, out there repairing that property. It's going to take a lot of elbow grease, a lot of scrubbing. So hopefully, cross your fingers. And to that end, the repair work is going to take quite a lot. So anything that you guys might be inclined to do to help the channel, like giving this video a thumbs up, leaving me a comment down below, sharing this video out, subscribing to the channel. If you're of a mind to, please play another one of my videos. Right here, you will see a video of the giant seed haul that I got when I went to the Migardener headquarters and got to peruse their stacks and buy whatever I wanted. And over here, I've got a video of my visit to the Migardener seed store with an appearance from Luke the Migardener, a little behind the scenes peek of the area where all these seed packets are packed up. Go ahead and watch that. Thank you very much, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.